Welcome to this Clayverest tutorial. In this video, you'll learn how to export and share your roadmap. To get started, click the Export and Sharing Options button in the left sidebar. From here, you have different options. If you're sharing your roadmap with another Clayverest user, simply copy the sharing link. To share your roadmap outside Clayverest, choose one of the available export formats. You can export your roadmap as data in various formats, an image, a PowerPoint presentation, a PDF document, or an HTML page. Each export format comes with its own options. For example, when exporting to PDF, you can choose the page layout, orientation, and number of pages. To fit your entire roadmap onto a single page, simply set the page count to 1. Then click Generate. You're now ready to share your PDF export with colleagues, customers, or any external stakeholders. Little tip: before exporting, filter your roadmap, for example to focus on a specific date range or exclude periods with no roadmap items. You're all set. Try it out now.